Please like and subscribe and turn on those notification bell. Today I'm back with another video in Meep City. Is strolling as a cat, but I don't know if I want to troll. So first I'm gonna be going to class because I'm ready to troll. I'm like that cat that's like, I always dressed up as this cat. I'm holding the button. Want to be friends? Stay running at you. No. Yes. Want to be friends? Like, want to be friends? This was your father. Bro, every time when I come on this game, she has to come. Why? Oh. I'm just listening. She's poor. Wow, those are fake friends. I thought they would be real, but they're fake. So the cat needs to go to class. Blah, 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 blah. Wow, real toxic. No one is even in class. Ah, he's dressing up. Look at me. I'm such a nice cat. Meow. I'm like the best cat ever. Class is like this right now. So I'm listening to more people's conversation. I work hard to get what? I work hard to get with you. Know what? Online daters. Savage 2020. No. Guys, can you just read the chat for a little? Bruh. I don't even know why people are so weird in this game. Bye. Is those people in the bathroom? Oh my god. She never see the poor cat. Lemo and alien face. Okay, she's just. It's. Oh, they know the name of it. They know the name of it. I'ma say. Yes. Oh, is that like the cat? Oh, it's like E. I love this cat so much. That's why I'm just a peasant. Like, say yes. The cat. OMG, you're like in my face. Say it. Yes, and I want to say meow and cry her. Me. Meow. I don't. Oh, meow. Meow. I don't know. You smell like a cow. Molly toenails, and you're broke. Wow, you so rude and random. Like in my face. Oh, you're the cat. You're the cat. I am JP. No one cares if you're JP. Oh, long library. It's time for a library. Why the cats are spying? This cat is like the new cat in this game. Yes, hello, sup. Sup. What? Like Leia. It's like Dora twin. To see my friend. I am acting ready. Brooke. Oh. This is like a troll in this game because like it was so mean to me. I don't know what I do, but this cat, something special about the cat in Roblox. And this is the cat. I mean there are two cats. No, I'm the only cat in this game. Wait, I'm coming, guys. OMG, I found the twin. OMG, God. Yay, twins. Yeah, twins. Like, he's the big one and the small one. Guys, I found the tuna and she's lied too much. And like I see like someone bullying someone in this server. So he's my twin, yay! Guys, you already see he was my twin. I have written down. Twin. But this is like the twin one, like the big one. Don't talk to me. He's the big cries. Anyways, cries. Oh my god. Dora the Explorer is crying. Are you okay? Are you okay, Dora the Explorer? The F4. Do I look like I am okay? Yes, I cry more. Girl, you're not a baby. Geez, sorry, don't have to be mad. Guys, Dora the Explorer just called me a freak and then she ran away. Guys, this is so mean. This is a toxic server with toxic people. And I just want to go to science class right now. Science class is like over there. Oh my, surprise. Okay, there are people talking. I don't understand that language. Some people's like Nick DGGK. Nick DGGK. Is that an experiment? Let's see if I can do it. The pink with the... Oh no, they know it was me. Like, I don't know how to read them, but I know they was saying my name. Guys, if you want me to troll as more people, just comment down below or like or subscribe. Guys, I hear someone is talking in the bathroom. I don't understand their language. But let's just pass KK. Okay, let's see. So I can stop and cry. Guys? Okay, let's go. Why are you guys twins looking at me like that? Oh, yeah, the cat. KK. I'm the cat. I'm the most cutest cat ever. Can you guys back off now? Oh, they're not backing off me. I'm so happy. I mean, I'm so sad. No, I need to go, guys. Please just leave me alone. I don't really like people snore on me. Yikes, bye losers. No, they're following me. I don't know. Okay. OMG. Hey, Barry. What do you guys want? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, right now, because they're not gonna stop following me. Okay, you guys wanna end my video? There. Say hi to the camera. Say. Oh, she loved me. So happy. Oh no, she's snoring me. Okay, guys, hope that you enjoyed that video. Please remember to like and subscribe and ding for a more cool episode. And if you want me to dress up as more character like this, please just like and subscribe. Why are you guys coming close to me? Whatever, I'm going out.